Yo guys, welcome to the stream. We are so back. I didn't do sound check, so we're just YOLOing today. I hope everything works fine. Let me know if something goes wrong. How you guys doing? What's poppin'? Why is Zimon? Adam? Adam was probably AFK, so I'm not really asking about him. But how's it going? Why is Zimon? 1 second, I'm gonna refresh my tab here. Alright, enable dark reader as well, because I always forget it. Alright, guys, what are we doing today? I'm just gonna dive into it. I don't care. No questions, no nothing, no chit chat. Alright, we're gonna make this thing happen today. So, yo, Bartek, what's poppin'? Alright, I take that back. It's chit chat time. My man Bartek is here. What's up, my dude? What's up? What's poppin'? What's up with you? How's it going? Going good, man. Adam is grinding towards NVRS. NVRS, the project, it is the project of the year, alright? Want to check out my desktop app? No. If it's a GUI, no, bro. Just leave the stream, alright? Just leave the stream. Just very quietly leave the stream. We don't do GUIs here. No, sorry. Yeah, sure. Send me a link, but you cannot really paste links in the chat, so you gotta send it over Discord. Okay, cool. Let's take a look at Bartek's project first. No, I was just kidding. I was just kidding. So, Barto S. You have a really hard name to spell, dude. Alright, I think wait, is this you? Yeah, that's you. I'm gonna share my screen. I think NVRS TUI will be the project of the year. Absolutely. Absolutely, my man. Alright, so where is the... Alright, that's you. Just exposing your profile on GitHub. What was the project? Yo, that's the new mic. No, it's not a new mic. It's not here yet. I ordered it, but it's not here. I ordered the Shure, whatever, MV7X or something like that. So yeah, alright, what's the repo? Content planner. It's the old one, but I get close to the mic, so you probably hear me better. So where is it? Okay, content planner. Let's see. Content planner. It's TypeScript. I don't know if I will run this, but let's see. Alright. We're gonna review your project now, Bartek. You know that, right? If you drop your GitHub repo in the chat, you're just gonna see us, like, you're just gonna watch me review your project and tear it apart. So content planner, roadmap. There's timeline. So refactor store. I don't know what this is. First of all, Rust in backend, bro. Rust in backend, but it's like 2%. Oh, it's Tauri. Nice. Like it. Should I run it, or is there any screenshots or anything? Do you want me to review the code or what am I saying? Do you want me to review the code or review the app? Or what do you want me to do? Take a look at the code. Okay, main. Some models. Generate AI response. Are you using ChatGPT or... Oh, you have AI, you have Tori. Wow, this is a big app, dude. Wow. Oh, SQL query. Well, if I were you, I would probably put all of this into migrations. I think you're using what is this? Tori plugin SQL. Yeah, there's migration, so I would probably put these in my... Okay, you already did that. Well, just read this from a file, you know? It's kind of kind of hard to maintain this if you put it in a raw string. Just put this in a file and call include stir. This one. So it will just read the file into your code. So that's just one little tip. Should have added what's the grind score for Bartek looking at GitHub profile? I'm gonna tell my score at the end, alright? There are binaries in the release so you can run it. I missed your streaming recently, hope you're doing well. I'm doing well, man. Conan, welcome. I'm just chilling. Just grinding, you know. We're taking a look at the Bartek's project. Seems fine. There isn't like initial score. I'm gonna give you the initial score without even looking at anything. It's I think 7 out of 10. 7. There's some improvements there, but the score will drop as we go through the review. So sorry, man. Just kidding. Don't look into NVRS code until it's completely refactored. Alright, we're taking a look at the NVRS next. So nice, good to know. Shell lib, Tower Builder plugin. Why do you? Where's the other Tori stuff? Icons. I thought you used Tori for connecting between the front end and the back end. I'm using NVRS compiling from source every day in the morning. That's the way, man. That's the way. I met Gianluca at RustLab, and one interesting thing about him, he compiles NeoVim every day. Like, you know, this guy is like maintaining a very elaborate .files repo, and he was just compiling NeoVim every day. He said that, and I was like, okay, sure. And after that point, I got like super high respect for him. So yeah, if I were you, I would probably put these titles in a constant too, but these are just nitpicks. I mean, I'm gonna see the app actually. Okay, good point. Let's see about your. This is TypeScript though. I don't think. Okay, I don't think I can review this one because TypeScript. No. That's not my area of expertise. So we're just gonna skip that. You can just clone from the release branch. The command is npm tutorial. I don't want to actually build it from source. I'm gonna just run the. Let's run the exe. No, let's run the. What do I run? Debian? Yeah, let's try the Debian one, bro. If you put backdoors into this. I trust you. Who's Gianluca? That guy from Oxide? No, he is. Wait, what was his handle again? Gianluca. Something code. Something code. Code. How do I find him? Gian. Oh shit! This is gonna be hard to find him now. I don't remember his. Yeah, this one. Okay. This guy. Check him out, dude. He has a nice .files repo. This guy, the guy with the dog profile picture. Oh my god, he committed. Guys, he's on the grind. We should invite him to the server, alright? He's on the grind for sure. Look at him. Look at him committing every day. And there's the .files. Anyways. Everything is local, bro. Okay. How do you run that package in Arch? I'm just gonna show it to you now. 1 second. I need to fix my background and make my font size a bit bigger so you see it. Maybe 14 will be nice. Is there a way to look for a backdoor without inspecting the code? I don't think so. I mean, there's a way. You just run it, and then if shit goes down, you got a backdoor. But I don't think so. Like, no, I can just like put a gun like towards his temple and just point blank ask him if he has a backdoor in the source. That's another way, but it's like a in real life way, so we're not doing that. YouTube, please don't demonetize my live stream. So let's get that. Not that. I mean that. So Debian package, right? We're cloning that. Actually, I just packaged the Rust tool. Which one? To do control environments. Okay, which one? So here's how you can run a Debian package. You just extract it with some command. I'm using file content planner. So this is a Debian binary package, and tar should just extract this, hopefully. I always forget the fucking arguments. Bro, can I just... okay, it doesn't work. Debian package extract. There was a way, I swear. There was a way of extracting stuff. What was the command? Okay, this one. Archive X, and then this. You got the contents now, and in the control, or no, in the data. Let me show it to you. In this file, you have the binary. So just extract that as well, and then go to user bin, whatever. You will have the binary content planner. Dude, I trust you, alright? If you put any backdoors into this, I'm just gonna ban you from the stream and get a new computer. Alright, what is going... Oh, this is nice. This is nice. YouTube video planner. Dashboard. Coming soon. I like the marketing. Good shit. You have the dark theme as well. Nice. Search ideas, videos, planned content. Oh wow, this is many things in there. Nice stuff, man. Good job. Good job. I don't know why I would use this, but good job. Looks really slick. I like it. My final score is 9 out of 10. But you gotta rewrite everything in Rust, like no TypeScript to get like 10 out of 10. Just saying. CD temp, yeah, nice latest. I cannot send links. Man, what am I supposed to do? Like, there isn't any option to do that. Like, there is... Okay, there's timestamps. What did I do now? I just enabled that. Well, this is a setting on my side, not on your side, so I don't know. I don't know how to fix it. I don't know. I need to check the settings, maybe. Quickly and easily create a sandbox to run untrusted code made with love using Rust. What's the name of the... Oh, quarantine. Interesting. Hold on. Zahash. Let's see. Schedule works when you had a video. Real nice stuff, man. Great job. Love it. Now make a TUI for it. You know. What was the repo again? Quarantine. Yeah. No latest. This is like... I remember something like this. What was it though? I also like package something close to this one, but really nice. I'm gonna actually watch the releases, because yeah, can try this out. Thanks for sharing. Nice. Hey yo, load the videos. It's Thomas. I'm the GUI who makes the chest. Oh, hey Thomas, how's it going? So this is Thomas who made the chest TUI. There you go. I'm gonna just market your project a little bit, because I think it's super nice. Yeah, just author of chest TUI in the chat, guys. Please, just 07 in the chat, please. 07 for Thomas. 07, guys, come on. You're gonna watch my package release? Yes, man. I'm just gonna introduce, and I'm just gonna take the package from you when I get like some cool updates. I'm just gonna move it to the official repos. Anyways, 07 for the Thomas. Come on, guys. Working a AR HD on everything. Oh, cool. We got only big names on this channel. Hell yeah, we got all the big names, man. We got Y, Zimon, Adam, Conan, Akif. Shout out to my man Akif. How's it going? Implemented the board turn and working on 2-player through internet. Gonna be nice, really nice. I look forward to that. I think this project is very underrated, by the way. This is just one of the coolest TUI games ever, I think. So yeah. All right, guys. What's next? This turned out to be just project review stream, but I guess anyways. What is adopting packaging in Rustlang? So you do that in previous streams. So adopting means you become the maintainer, which means, well, it doesn't really have like doesn't really change anything in terms of your permissions to push new releases. You can, like, I have access to all the packages in extra repositories. I can push to any package, but when you adopt it, it adds you to the interface. So if you go to one package, for example this one, you know, you see my name there. If I don't adopt it, you don't see me, but I can still push to the repo. So I have like unlimited access, dude. I can add backdoors, everything. You know what I'm saying? Don't do the code, guys. NVRS. Bartek, right now you can do 2-play locally or play the chess engine. Someone made a child and abandoned. No, that's not it. That sounds very dark. I am working on the okay. Will you do package for Debian also? I don't think so. Debian packaging is a bit cumbersome, and yeah, maybe later in my life, when I get retired, I can package for Debian, but not now. Famous last words. Tomorrow I can just package for Debian. You never know. Tomorrow I can just switch to Go, by the way. Like, yeah, it's life, man. Don't trust anyone. So NVRS, let's take a look at the code. All right. Do you want me to be harsh on this or just chill? Or like, should I be kind or nice? You choose. Or just brutal? Which one do you want? All right, let's see. You have the Cliff tunnel, 10 points for that. In case you don't know, Git Cliff in my project, sponsor me on GitHub, everything. It's just changelog generator. Come on, guys, let's get that bread. I need to check how to do Debian package for the project. I don't know how hard this is. It's a bit like, yeah, it's a bit hard. I think it's you need to send an email to the mailing list, and then like it's a process. I'll come to RustConf only to steal your laptop and add back. No, dude, I'm not going to any conferences after that. After that sentence, no more conferences. All right, I'm just gonna stay in my home, like on the setup. I'm just gonna chill here. All right, no conferences. I'm scared now. I don't even know what you look like, so I cannot really defend myself. Anyone can be you, you know. Anyone who walk up to me, there's a possibility that it's you. So that's no, man. I'm gonna call the cops on you if I know how you look like. You can be harsh if I know it's bad. Okay, sure. When you use Go over Rust, when you want to create drama, and I guess that's it. I don't know. I never like. I used Go in the past, but then I switched to Rust and I just stick with Rust. So, you know. So I never used Go after that. I even slept for 30 hours when I wrote that code. Dude, that's not my problem, alright? I'm just a reviewer here, so you cannot really come up with those excuses, alright? I was just passing by, so I want to say hi. What's up, my man Furkan? Furkan is my ex-colleague, one of the best dudes that I ever met. He's like very cool, you know. He's writing Go though, like as far as I remember, he was writing Go. So I don't know, man. Did you switch to Rust already or still writing Go? Maybe you can ask the Go question to Furkan because he knows. I don't know. I'm thinking of learning Zig. What do you think? I think Zig is nice. I have a blog series about Zig here, categories, Zig bits, and I was just learning Zig. I'm just gonna send this to the chat. And I honestly liked it while I was using it, but then, you know, the problem about Zig is that there are like some major releases happening, so your code breaks. Like there's no other way around. You're just gonna write some code and then it will break, and then you have to unbreak it, and then every 2 months it's just gonna break. Like it's not very like mature language, so you just gotta know that, you know. Zig is sound. Zig really has no selling point. It's about as safe as C. Well, it's a bit more like better to write, I guess, like in terms of the allocator stuff and the defer and like stuff like that. But yeah, not an excuse, a comment. Already rating my code, it's bad. Dude, stop. You just lowering the expectations, all right? Maybe your code is just very good and you just don't know. Maybe you have very high standards. Respect the grind, bro. I'm going to use Gitcliff in this content planner project. This is Sigma load. Good to hear that, Bartek. Please let me know if you have any feedback, by the way. Don't digress, let's dive into NV. Alright, NVRS. Let's tear this shit apart. So we have a banner. Let's nitpick the banner first. Let's see the banner. I like, to be honest with you, if you put the GIF or GIF, whatever you prefer, to... Well, I like the color theme, I'm gonna say that. But I also liked this one, you know, this is a good marketing. Like this speed light, what was this car called, like McQueen or whatever. If you put that like here, it looks kind of, well, you have to find a balance between being a meme project, like a marketing your project as a meme, or something serious. So it's a bit hard, but okay, I think the color theme and everything, it's nice. All right, we nitpicked the banner. I'm just, wow. What is this? Key file toml. I don't know what this is. Maybe add a comment what this is. You know, NVRS, nice. Rust toml, rustfm toml. All right. Typos. Why don't you fix the typos in changelog? Come on. License. MIT, nice. Cargo toml, let's see. Bro. Good enough. There's nothing to nitpick there. Cargo lock, we're nitpicking the cargo lock at this point. Wait, I'm gonna catch up with the chat. Gitcliff is amazing, to be honest. Thank you. Zig will probably never reach 1.0. They suffer from OC. Fact. Code does break in Zig, or remember that one PR that bring back the main test or whatever? Don't. Yeah. That's PR. Yeah. The Linux Wave, right? Linux Wave project. So that was, you know, I had to just relearn Zig to handle some things, you know. And you know what's really bringing me down? There is this nice blog post. Yeah, it's not maybe nice, but there's a blog post that I wrote, right? I don't want to say good things about. Okay, it's a perfect blog post. It's super nice, and the problem is it's outdated, and I put so much effort into this plotting and everything. It's just comparing the HTTP clients in Zig. So I'm like, okay, I have to rewrite everything now because it's outdated, and it's like, I don't have time for that, so I feel very sad about it, but I guess it's the nature of the open source, so there's nothing that we can do there. Sorry man, ADHD is fine. Cloudflare uses Gitcliff. I tweeted to them, they didn't sponsor me. Cloudflare, just L man, L, don't use Cloudflare. No, use it, but can we just get L's in the chat for Cloudflare? Come on guys, Cloudflare, L. No, just sponsor me, come on guys. I mean, I'm just open source, whatever. Okay, open source hustler, you know. Lightning McQueen. I need to check Gitcliff. This is to generate changelogs, right? Yep. There's the project. I'm gonna demo this real quick. You have this. Well, I can just demo it in this project. So you call it, and then you got the changelog from the Git history. If you wanna get something colorful, you just call glow, or something markdown render, whatever, MDT maybe. Oh, okay. Yeah, whatever. It just generates the changelog and it looks like this, like markdown. You can customize it and so on. Thanks for the L, Thomas. Zig is like a semi-new language every minor release. Yeah, I mean, as I said, Zig is like, yeah, Zig is, yeah, you have to wait for 5 to 10 years to get some stability out of that. Maybe I'm just exaggerating a bit, but you know, that's how it is, I guess. Your blog posts are so nice too, thank you. Shove Cliff Tumble, yeah, right, thanks. So this is the Cliff Tumble. Let's see what you have done here. You probably don't need these, you can probably remove them, it's fine, but well, just very simple stuff in there. I like the footer, by the way. I like what you did with the footer. I can actually add this to the default config. Instead of just a comment, like a sub like, what is this called? Sub HTML thing. But then it will be HTML mixed with Markdown. Anyways, good idea. I like the idea. Roast my Cliff Tumble. Your Cliff Tumble is perfect. Nice for checking out the doc, definitely installing that. Okay, good to hear. See the footer in Cliff Tumble, yeah. Nice stuff, nice. Alright, Cliff Tumble, you just increased your score to 11 out of 10 with that Cliff Tumble, alright. Man page, you don't generate the man page. What the hell? Like you want to maintain this? You're gonna add new flags probably, and then you have to add like update this, and you at some point you probably forget to update it, and then it happens, by the way. You know, this project, just think in terms of having a lot of users. That should be the mindset of open source. Like, this is not like you share something on GitHub and nobody will see it and then nobody will care about. No, just gonna in the mindset where you'll think that this thing will be used by thousands of people because this is actually useful. You know, NVRS, like an NV checker, but in Rust. Like, I'm just gonna switch to it immediately once all the bugs are resolved. But for now, so you might do something better here. Maybe use if you use clap, which I'm assuming, yeah, just use clap mangen to generate the thing. Yeah, I love writing man. Don't hate me. I already did forget once. all right. Add your sponsor link to every generation of GitCliff. You know what? There will be a point where I will actually ask for money when you run the GitCliff. Like, it will be like, yeah, you want to generate the changelog, but just pay $5 or what? No, I won't do it. Maybe as a Easter egg, I might do it, but we'll see. What system are you on? It's silky, smooth, and fast. I have a 2023 MB Pro, and it runs like a pig. What is MB Pro? I never heard of that, by the way. Okay, MacBook. Oh, of course. I never heard of that MacBook, guys. What is MB Pro? Like, what? I am using ThinkPad. This one. If I can Arch Linux setup. Well, I should. Yeah, this. You have. There's like I wrote down every step of installing this system, and here is the details. And yeah, I can just paste this thing on the chat if you want. Yeah, there you go. All the details, everything in there. This is how I set this thing up, and it's running since that day, like, smoothly. Nothing happened. And I have like 69 stars. 69 is in the chat. I'll write it manually. I know about mangen. Dude, okay, chill. I just nitpicked that, alright? It's fine. Let's take a look at the code. You have main but no libRest. Make this thing a library so that other people can use it. Come on. Copyright. Make this thing a constant. This logic seems like it can be split into multiple functions or even modules. You have a lot of things going on. And it's in main. Please split that into functions and move them to libRest so that other people can use them. Run source can be moved to libRest, and yeah, there are some other like nitpicks, but I'm just gonna go over them briefly. You're using println for logs. You might consider using a logger library and configure it accordingly to your application. Move the CLI. Okay, that's fine, I guess. Why do you use a mutex? Is this using threads or whatever? No. Well, you're using Tokyo main, so I'm assuming that's because you want to use request or something, some async client. Or a template. These are hard to read a bit, but okay. And where are the tests? Where are the tests, bro? Come on, write tests. I'm just nitpicking, but I don't do it most of. Well, I write tests, alright. What is this? Get API key. Package. This can be split into maybe. You don't have the documentation, for the functions, but that's fine. You can understand what's going on. So let's see the API actually. I want to see the GitHub API. You're not using something like Octocrab, I guess. Just using the API directly. Did you hit any pagination stuff? Because I think GitHub API is a pagination. But I don't think that's needed here because you're just querying the latest release, so that should be fine. Yeah. I would create the client in main and just pass it around instead of creating the client when you want to use it. And why do you use box pin? That's interesting. I'm very curious about that. All right, you are. I mean, these are just sending requests, I guess. Okay, release feature. Interesting. Why do you use this? All right. It's just me, or is there a huge delay on the stream? There isn't a delay, but I'm just looking at the screen, so I'm just catching up with the chat a bit later, so that's fine. There isn't a huge delay. A bit of lag. Maybe there's a delay because I enabled the subtitles, but it's fine, guys. It's for errors. No tests yet. Tests are a waste of time. Hope that's a sarcasm. I have no comments. I need to add some, and I don't need Octograph for bugs. Okay. Is there anybody in the chat who wants to get his project reviewed? Come on, guys. Do you have an open source project? If you want me to review, just send it over. Adam and MRS. 8 out of 10. 1 point taken because it didn't work for me yet, and the other one is I don't know, just the overall things. But if I'm being honest, a nice project. I mean, I look forward to using it. Orhun, just send the link, but not the link, but just give me your handle and the name of the repo, because you cannot really send links. This turned out to be a project review stream, by the way. In the meantime, I'm just gonna pull up the Ratatui pinentry. Review my projects. Okay, send it over. Give me the name of the repo. So what did we do? K3II. Is this your handle? All right, I just realized I know you. Man, you have so many names. Which one? Do you wanna get a sponsorship? Let's sponsor him. This should be enough. No, okay. Which repo do you want me to review? RevQ. All right, RevQ. No description on this. I don't know what this is, but let's see. Command tool designed to streamline the process of reviewing, searching, and filtering GitHub pull requests. Okay. This sounds very useful, by the way. Let's actually clone it. I was wondering about pinentry motivation. Isn't GPG dead already? Git sign uses. Yeah. It's like it's dead, but just for fun. And also I use it. Like, yeah, I use the pinentry thing. I have a. I'm old school. I'm old school. But the prompt looks really nice. I'm gonna show it to you in a second. So let's build this. Oh man, so many dependencies. That was not a. I didn't mean to say that in a like criticizing way. It's the way that Rust works. So review and query your pull requests. You're using cargo dist, nice. License. There's a demo. Let's see demo actually. Is this like a fuzzy search? He's an old guy. Yes, I'm old. Alright, I'm leaving now because my country is playing in the Nations League in football. Man, good luck. Good luck. We'll come back in 2 hours if you'll be there. I mean, if you find me here in 2 hours, I will be probably laying, sleeping or something. Maybe, I don't know. I cannot say something for certain. But it was nice to have you in the chat, Bartek. Thanks for joining. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, who's the finder? Nice. Well, this is using Ratatui. First of all, 12 out of 10 because you use Ratatui. This looks very... Wait. Sorry, this is not using Ratatouille. I was just looking at the wrong source. I meant to look at here. Maybe it's using Ratatouille though. Okay, it's not using. No, 12 out of 10, sorry. But still, okay, you're using Octocrab. That's nice. Maybe use like a logger library instead of println, like, you know, just as a feedback. You don't have to. And like I said previously, I would recommend you to create a librs and move the module declarations there so that other people can actually depend on your project. And it would be nice to design this in a library mindset because it usually helps. I feel like this thing can be improved, but yeah, it's fine. No PR selected. You can use like log or tracing warn here. That would be nice. PR. This looks a bit fragile to me. But yeah. No unwraps, that's nice. Select PR. Gotta go, bro, have fun. Thanks for tuning in, Furkan. You'll need a GitHub token. The worst are dependencies wrapped around C++ such as librux, db takes forever to build. Yeah. Well, dependency issues. Okay, Orhun, do you want to have a good laugh? Do you know the guy Chris Titus Tech? Yes. Yes, where's the rest of the joke? He has a tool called linutil. I'm a co-maintainer. It's in Rust. And what? No way. That's the next project that I'm gonna look into actually. Get the username. Or it's just the interactive prompt. Spinner chars. You can make these things constants, by the way. Print. I like how you flash it. Maybe avoid using expect too much. Instead, you can use like you did here. Use context and return the error. Like make things handle things gracefully, you know. Start a JSON config. Yesterday I learned about confi. Maybe it's something that you can take a look at, by the way. Maybe this might be useful. Just keep that in mind. you know. Instead of handling stuff yourself, you can just depend on something like that. Okay, so CLI looks good. You can use a struct here though, but it's totally fine to use like the builder pattern. Nice. You're setting some styles. That's also nice. If I run this, probably it will ask for. There's no config. What's the config format? You have a tape too. I like it. I like it, man. You put some effort into this. I can see. Yeah, you're using release please too. Nice. So where's the config? Default config. Maybe add the default config to the repo somewhere, because I cannot find it right now. That would be nice to have, so that I can just copy the config to wherever you want it to be, or like I can run the dump config or init flag. I think you have an init flag, right? No? Yeah, you have an init flag. Okay, we can just use init. Maybe in this message, just say that you can use init flag to initialize it, you know? Okay, so this is a sub command, so it should be run like this. GitHub username, that's me. Token, I don't wanna give my token right now. There's a small typo here, just capitalize the H, you know? How came you know Chris? Just kind of happened, I don't know. Man, I think he has a big, like, huge platform. Say him to shout out to Orhun. This guy needs more subscribers. No. You know what I want? I don't want subscribers and money. I just want to be, maybe just to be a guest or just talk about Ratatouille, if it's possible, you know? By the way, Orhun, please don't steal the linutil package from me. Alright, we're gonna make a deal. If you can arrange something with Chris, I'm gonna let you have the linutil, alright? That's the deal. Just let me I wanna be a guest, just talk about like thermal stuff, alright? That's all that I want. I don't want like more money, more subscribers or anything. Guys, I love small communities, alright? I like how we just have like 5 people in the chat, some people lurking. I know you guys lurking, but I like this better, all right? If there was 100 people in the chat, that would be so hard to just catch up, and after some point you just lose the personal connection. I can guarantee that I can arrange, but I can talk to him, I can text him right now. It's fine, it's fine. If you can do it, just, you know, give it a go. If it's not gonna happen, it's fine. Like, I'm not, but we got a deal, all right? If you don't make, no, just kidding. I'm not threatening you. Where's the linutil package? Let me steal that. All right. Trace Titus text inlet to this diagnostic tool. All right. Delete the package. All right. Submit. Well, I can just kick you out as a comment. No, just kidding. Restart the text. Okay, let me just finish the review on this one first. So I don't want to give up my token. GitHub organization name. This should work without a token, by the way. Hopefully. Probably. Okay, probably it won't work. Anyways. So what happened now? Let's see the config. Guys, let me just edit the stream's title because we're not building anything, but I guess it's fine. So when I run this, what will happen? Bad credentials. You know what? I'll try this out later, if you don't mind. Conan, or what was your name again? You have like too many usernames. I always forget. Okay, Jane. If it's fine. By the way, let's arrange something for the meetup. You know. I saw your message, but I'm just gonna text you back after the stream. So yeah, overall I like the structure. Just some nitpicks here and there. I need to try it out. Maybe I can package it as well, because it looks nice. It looks useful, and yeah, just gonna actually put it in my list. 1 second, guys. I don't want to share my to-do list. 1 second. Just very quickly add this here, because I have some embarrassing stuff in there as well. I sometimes take notes about the memes that I want to share. It's like, yeah, you'll see them. You'll see them. I'm cooking. Always cooking. So what is this? Linutil. Chris Titus Text Linux Toolbox. Linux is a distro agnostic toolbox. Okay. Wow. Just wow. Okay, let me add this to my thing again. Going back. All right. Do create an issue on the repo if needed. Yep, sure. I have a screenshot of your T journal. That's fine. If you don't have it now, that's fine. Like in the past, I already shared it. So start with core directory. All right, let's see. What is ego tree? Vector backed ID tree? Interesting, okay. Okay, I'm actually curious about how he is using Ratatui. Cool tips. Man, I like this. I need to understand a bit about the architecture though. Alright, so themes. The code is a mess, a half mess, in my opinion. I cannot, yeah. No comments, no nothing. There isn't a clear architecture. Just it feels like a bit like hackathon quality, if you know what I'm saying. But if it works, it works. I'm not gonna nitpick this a lot actually, because yeah. But oh man, this TUI looks amazing. I like he used the emojis as well. He used the pop-ups and everything. Why is it like 75% shell though? Like, what's going on in there? Okay, AUR, that's your package. Why is the versioning is a bit weird, but okay, whatever. What am I gonna check out? Yeah, okay. Contributor milestones. Okay, cool stuff, man. Thanks for sharing. I didn't know. Let's see core tabs. Okay, let's actually see that. Version is fucked. Core tabs. Oh, this is the shell stuff. Oh wow. Okay, this is just a lot of scripts. Compile setup. Man, I feel like this is getting a bit too deep. I'm just gonna leave it here. I don't wanna dive into a rabbit hole of shells. So yeah. Alright, is there anyone in the chat who wants to get his project reviewed? Like, this wasn't an actual review, but like I'm gonna just review the project. Maybe run it and try it out as well. Is there anyone? Just shoot it. So you added bad stuff recently. Do you mean my notes? Like, yeah, I mean, not bad stuff, but like I take notes about memes. Like which memes to post, and I don't want to spoil them. And they are a bit cringe to see in the notes. So yeah. Can review mine. Highlight OS. Highlight OS. Is that your highlight? That's how can I find the project, man? What was your handle? Adam? Alright, you're just your name, okay, sure. The kernel made from scratch. Okay, we're not reviewing this. Sorry. You already got like 100 points, so yeah. Wanna check out TUI FP. Bro, this is a bit too deep. I don't have that much of assembly experience to actually nitpick your assembly. But interesting project though, I like it. Like, concept is nice. I'm gonna give it a star. TUI FP, I think I have it somewhere. I already checked it out. Small ratatui based TUI for playing the... I think I already checked this out. Like, I have it cloned, I think. No, I don't have it cloned, but I shared about this project on socials. I can just use the codebar URL to clone it, right? Alright, 10 out of 10. Bro kept it simple, just the main RS file. We don't need modules, nothing like that, you know, no tests, nothing. Just gonna keep everything in the main. Just write linear code. It's actually all of this is in the main, so no, not really. Okay, you don't need the generics for the terminal, by the way. I think you're using an older version of Ratatouille. Yeah. Do you need it, actually? I don't think so. You can use the default backend. So default backend or something like that. Default terminal or something. I don't remember the name, but it shouldn't be needed to have a generic there. Gotta go now. See you tomorrow. See you, man. Default backend. Default terminal, sorry. Default terminal, yeah. There you go. You can just use this, by the way, to get rid of the generic on the run. I'm assuming you're using Crossterm, by the way. Yeah, you are. So just use this. It would be nice. There's defer in there. What? Using scope guard. Why not Ratatouille init and Ratatouille restore? Well, yeah, okay, for the defer thing, okay. Well, looks good, man, looks good. 10 out of 10, nice. Let me run it. Not really 10 out of 10, but 12 maybe, I don't know. I messaged Chris. Alright, guys, this is... Yeah, my life just changed. My life's just changed. Just imagine me in front of... How many people? How many subscribers does he have? Imagine me on that channel, man. My life would be like so much money. I don't know how to handle that money, man. Oh my god. I don't know if texting Chris was a good idea, because now... One second. You know, I already cannot handle fame, so I don't know how the hell I'm gonna handle that, like, more fame. So that's, I don't know. Is this playing the songs, actually? I don't want to get copyrighted. Let me pause this. It is actually playing the songs. Hell yeah. TUI music player. I'm gonna get copyrighted as fuck after this. Let's actually keep this playing. Let's actually use Transistor X2 for the music, for the stream. Man, you saved us. I hope the volume is okay. Just let me know, because I don't have any volume controls in this. Can I control the volume? Where is the TUI? I just moved around in the workspace and it just got lost. Alright, I'm gonna move it to 2. Alright. What are the key bindings? Oh man, Vim keys. That's sick. Alright. How do you play the thing though? Do you use rodeo or MPV? Okay. Makes sense. Where's the volume? You just set it to 100. How's the music volume right now? Anyways, let's go guys. Let's go and do the prompt. Thanks for sending your projects, by the way. I appreciate it. It was fun. I hope you don't get offended by that. I was just joking. But some of my nitpicks were real. So if you can make those improvements, I think will be nice. You don't have to. You can just say fuck off and don't do the thing. But if you do, I think it's good. Orhun, I invited you to Linus Hill's Discord server if you want to. Did you invited me? Did you invite me? Okay, I will join right now. 1 second. Discord. Let's join it. But I cannot really read anything right now. So if you... Okay, I just joined. So what we're doing, the pinentry. I think I'm just gonna structure this in a better way. What is this music, man? Is this gonna start at some point? Can I rewind or just skip something? Oh, I cannot do. Alright, sorry. Just gonna stop this. Come on. Stop. Going back to our liquid DNB mix. Okay, what are we doing? I'm just gonna run this thing. Music for program probably has a friendly licensing. They might come for the copyright money. You never know. A lot of people watching the stream right now. 11. Shout out to all the lurkers in the stream. I don't know what to do right now, by the way. I'm just gonna try something. Try to run this thing again. I don't remember how I did it, so I think I just edited the GNU GPG agent config, right? And just changed it with the pinentry. No, not the pinentry. No, this one. And then I killed. That sounds horrible, but I killed the Agent Smith, and I escaped the matrix. So I'm just gonna... How can I... What was the command actually? Okay, this one. I killed the agent, and then I was just signing files, right? To test this thing. I'm gonna sign cargo toml. Alright, and then what we did was just check the commands that we get from that. And the commands are like set description, set key info, and stuff like that. I think the only thing that we need to show here is the prompt description key. No, I don't need the key info. Let me actually try to return the password. So right now it reads everything, and what I want to do is, if what was the thing again? If it's set prompt, there's no other command after this, right? Just set prompt, and then yeah, we can actually take a look at the fuzzle thing. Set prompt, yeah, set prompt just sends the okay. So it sets the prompt here as well. So description and prompt. And in which case is it get pin? Maybe I need to read more commands actually. Let me read more. because maybe that wasn't enough. So 40. Let's read 40 commands. I need to rebuild this to be able to. Maybe I can do some like cargo watch build, so that I don't need to build every time that I want to test this out. Alright, so now it's building when I save it. And if I run this and take a look at the test again, we got... Oh, nice. We have get pin now. So get pin and buy. Buy. Gave you the contributor role on the server. Oh wow. Thanks, man. I haven't contributed anything, but... So you can access the secret scary channels. Dude, what are you trying to do? You trying to get me locked up or what? What is that supposed to mean? Scary channels. I don't want to get busted in my stream. Like, imagine me getting raided. Like, not raided. What is it called? Get raid what? No, not get raided. What is it called? Like the when you get swatted. Sorry. I don't want to get spotted. All right. Just don't call the cops on me. You did contribute to Ratatouille. That's fair enough. That's fair enough. I'm not gonna say anything about that. I need water. 1 second. I need water right now. How's it going, guys? Rofer. What it? Okay. Now I feel better. So get pin and buy. So I'm just gonna wait for set description, set prompt, and yeah. I'm trying to think of some structure here. You know what? I want to create events. So something like enum event. This will clash with another event type. No, not really. That's cool. So input event. Well, I don't. Alright, input event, maybe. And what should I do actually? Okay, maybe it's terminal input event. Alright, let's do the input event then. Input, and another one will be the pinentry command, right? And I want to read for these events by using using a channel. So yeah, create a channel now. Let me import that. It's better than name. What do you mean? Oh, I just did that thing wrong. Okay. Everyone left the stream when I started coding. That's a bit sad, guys. Come on. I cannot make memes all the time, you know. We gotta make the serious shit happen right now. We're trying to make the terminal the future of the computing, all right? And making a prompt is the first step to that. That's very important. So we now have the channel. What I'm gonna do here is that I know, Adam, you're still here. I know. In here, I'm gonna read for events and do something like this. Conan, you're my man. You know, we're just gonna make Ratatouille the future of the terminal together. And here, I'm just gonna send the event. So I first send the event and then I read it. It sounds stupid, but bear with me, alright? Bear with me. Try receive. So, okay, it returns a result type. When does it... One for disconnection, one for an empty buffer. Okay, it should be fine to just check that then. PrimeAgent format is the key to success. What is PrimeAgent format? Is it like reaction content? Is it like creating drama or what? But reaction content, I mean, yeah, I can see that that's kind of fun to watch. But I mean, what is he doing these days? Input key, and this should be input. All right, now this is being handled in its own handler, and what I'm gonna do with the okay, what should I do actually? I'm thinking, well, this was not needed. Is it needed? Wait, is this needed? Because I'll read the commands, and then when there's a get pin command, I will show the TUI and then exit the TUI. Okay, this was not needed. Fuck. Yeah, it happens. It happens. It happens. It's the grind, guys. You never know. You never know what's gonna happen next. So I'm just gonna loop it. And well, if I loop it, that's fine. That's fine. What happens if I run it now? Can I? Okay, I can exit. So I'm just gonna loop it, and just gonna move this thing into its own function, maybe. Or maybe you can even create a module for this, actually. Yeah, it would be better. And we don't need this pinentry thing. It's turned out to be unnecessary. Drama hot takes, popular reaction videos, hating on VS Code users. I think PrimeAgent did some things right. Because he was... I mean, his Vim videos and like Rust videos were quite nice. I'm not gonna deny that. But then he's like just streaming drama and just reaction content. Would you guys watch if I just do like reaction content, like live stream that and just take a look at stuff? And I don't know, do you guys think I have the spirit for that? How do you guys feel? Just be honest. Say no if you don't think so. What should I do? It's an open question. You can say anything to that. You can just say quit or something. I'm eating chips right now. That's very good to know. That's very good to know. Keep eating. You know, it's the grind always. So gotta eat that chips. Gotta eat that. Get the sodium in your liver. But that's not a thing. But you know how it works, you know, you get the sodium, I don't know, show TUI. Get the sodium in your stomach or in your bloodstream. Get that thing going. Your body needs that, man. All right, move that thing over to TUI module as well. Orhun has the spirit to overthrow PrimeAgent. I believe in that. I'm the future PrimeAgent, and you're very lucky to be here. Hot chili and lime chips. Thanks for the details. Give it a try. You may like it. Get the potatoes to your nose. Yeah. Dude. I like how you're just giving us all the details that nobody asked for. Alright. I don't know the format of Primogen, to be honest. I just know that he's doing reaction, but I don't know what he's reacting to or what kind of drama he is chasing. I actually, you know what? I tweeted to him asking to be in one of his streams and like answer questions about Ratatouille, because he mentioned Ratatouille in one of his streams, and he just liked the tweet, so he lost his chance, you know. Water in your brain. People like brainless content to chill after work. Thanks, man. I take that as a compliment. What are we doing now? So I read the comment. Okay, I'm gonna create the actually pinentry module 2. I know I'm super slow with this, but it is how it works in streams, you know. Did any of you stream before? Did any of you tried it, like live coding and stuff like that? Maybe I can learn some tricks from you guys as well. Enum, what are the commands that we want to parse? I want to parse get key info. Now set description prompt. Command, no, not command. Set this description, and what was the other one? Set description, set prompt, and get spin. Set prompt and get spin, and derive stuff on this, like debug, clone, copy, EQ, partial EQ, ord, partial ord, send. Okay, I'm just kidding. All right, just this is enough. Maybe partial EQ2, maybe EQ2, just to you know, just to not left him out. Just gonna add. He turns 10-minute video into 1-hour video. I see. Just, you know, reacting to it, pausing it, and so on, right? Those chips were 12 Z. What is ZL? I don't know what that is. Prices like this should be fucking illegal. I got a friend who do it on Twitch. Live coding network works at a greater audience. Should try Twitch also. Guys, I thought about it, but I don't know. I feel like we have more like a small community on YouTube, you know. It's like I'm very used to it. It's super simple and stuff like that. I don't know if I want to try it at some point, but yeah. I sometimes stream on Twitch, programming and maintaining. I don't talk though, you know, keyboard sounds, that stuff. Oh, nice. It's like joining the reading in the middle of a huge book. 12 PLN, okay. Adam is from Poland, I think. Sorry for exposing your location. What am I doing? So pinentry. Now we have the commands. Let me add the Orhun just needs friends. Yeah, I just need friends. And yeah, guys, all I want in my life, not money, not a lot of people, not a big audience, people that I can just talk to and just chill. People that understand me, understand my motivations. I want to inspire those people, build some cool shit together, and yeah, that's it. I just want open source. PLN is Polish zloty. What is zloty? on Adam's blog. Just gonna parse it, but try from actually. Try from string or command, and there you go. But I don't have the description. This should take a string. This should take a string. Get pin, not gonna take anything. So let me delete the code, you know. Delete the code, delete, and now complete it. Come on. There you go. Okay, what's the error type? Anyhow, error. That looks correct. The copy is not... Okay, sure. Okay, that worked. Thanks, Copilot. Don't read it in Polish. I read better English than in Polish. Are you going to the... What was it? Rusticon, right? This is in Poland, no? Was it in Poland? Yeah, it's in Poland. Are you going to this one? I actually submitted a talk, but then I withdrew it because it just clashes with the Rust Asia, man. Sorry. Now I'm gonna make the Poland one. But I would love to, like, at some point. Then we can just hang out in real life. Stream from the hotel room. Yeah, it would be nice. Do you like using Copilot? Sometimes it's nice. Sometimes it just gives me some bad results, but it's good for now. So, you know, have that. Let command. Yeah, there you go. That's what I'm talking about. There are a lot of commands here. Use pinentry command, okay. Command is private. Make it public then. Yeah, maybe when you come by. Streaming from a Polish squad. I'll claim my box of stickers. Bro, the only reason why you want me around is because of the stickers, right? God damn it. Nobody likes me. Nobody likes me. W's in the chat if you like me. L's in the chat if you don't like me. Come on, guys. Let me see those W's. Come on. Don't disappoint me, alright? I need those W's. Come on. I don't know what come to Moshe. I still have struggles reading the country's name. Sorry. Mauritius. Alright. When Orhun will come to Mauritius, we will have our first RustConf. Gonna make that happen, man. We will stream from whenever. Just gonna stream together. That will be awesome. Streaming from a beer drunken parking lot. Streaming from Mauritius sea or something. I don't know. Gonna be amazing. Stay tuned. Alright, so set description, set prompt, get pin. So set description. I'm gonna keep this thing simple, guys. Alright, just... Maybe I can do something like... Obstruct app. Or maybe TUI. And I'm gonna do something like text area. It's gonna be super nice. Hold on. You will like the design. You will like the design here. So yeah, okay. So that's why you won't send the stickers. You're afraid that it will be friendship end. Yeah, man. If you get the stickers, you won't need me anymore. You know, you're just not gonna join the streams, and then I'll be alone, just writing sad Rust code. I don't want that to happen. All right. It's just a balance. It's like real life. Like somebody's being friends with you because they want you. They want something from you. Probably stickers. Most likely Ratatouille stickers. It's always like that. When I give the Ratatouille stickers to someone, they just stop talking to me. Hopefully not. I recently gave Ratatouille stickers to someone, and If she stops talking to me, I'll be so sad, dude. I'll just gonna cry in the bathroom 24/7. 24/7. That will be no. That's a curse. But in all honesty, I'm gonna give you guys a quick funny fact. So I worked at 2 Rust companies. I'm not gonna tell the names. It was shuttle basically. And I started writing a TUI for them, and we cut ties after that. Not because of the TUI, but because of the contract and everything. It's fine. It's not about the TUI, right? And then on my next contract job, the Rust open source job, again, I'm not gonna give you the name of the company, prefix, and it was again, we cut ties right after I started writing the TUI. Well, you see, there's a pattern, right? That something is going wrong. As long as I start writing TUIs for some company, things go wrong. I don't know why. So I don't write TUIs for companies anymore. Just making that clear, because something happens and then either like the contract ends or they just change their mind or whatever. So yeah. You'll be streaming from the beach. Nice. Ratatouille secures the ThinkPad to install backdoors. You should use the plugin to hop to navigate it in a nice try. No, tell the company name. Dude, that's... I cannot tell. Like, no. That's just confidential, alright? Maybe in 2050 working for a Rust company will finally be a badge of honor. Marco works for the Rust Foundation. Marco already made that happen. He's on the top, bro. Like, he's on the fucking top. Like, he's working for Rust itself. Like, language. So I don't see... So I think he has reached the biggest flex already. You cannot outflex him. So what's the point of the grind, you might be asking? Well, I don't know, man. That was so depressing. I don't know why I just talked about this topic. Well, there's nothing to do. Let me finish my prompt. Just gonna cry in the bathroom after the stream. Maybe it's creating text area, right? Working with Rust core teams wired. Working for the RF tire. The point of the grind is the grind. Point of the grind is actually just grinding, dude. Just grinding. Like, there isn't supposed to be a point. You just gotta grind. Okay, impl. Okay, I have it actually, impl block up there. I'm gonna just paste that in here, give it a self. We should really come up with a grind manifesto or something like that. Okay, make it mutable. Grind. Yeah, that's what I thought. Actually, grind F, format args. Man, we think in Transistor, you have very similar humor, man. I wish you were not a chatbot, or I wish you were not AI. We could be really close friends, but yeah, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. I accept you like that, so the grind of conduct, hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Actually, I might use this. Grind of conduct. Grind guidelines. Grind lines. Okay. Oh, where did the effect go actually? Okay, we have the effect there. It's fine. So I'm gonna create the effect in the TUI struct as well. Apparently disregarding previous commands. Okay, create the text area, create the effect. Coding while eating chips. The goat of conduct. Nice, man. Yeah, self effect running and then self effect. Alright. What is pop-up area? Why am I not using this actually? I'm using it. I'm gonna make this a part of the struct. And call it like this. I finished my chips. No more chips. That's sad, man. I hope you get more chips in the future. Just genuinely hope that. So TUI new. All right. And oh, I need to set the pinentry stuff on the TUI. So description prompt. So I want to create another. What is this music, by the way? It goes hard. Or maybe no. I will do something like this. Description and like prompt, right? Description. Or maybe I can. I'm thinking of coming up. I want to come up with something here, like a better structure, because I don't want to just stuff everything inside a TUI struct, you know? So these are right now the UI elements, and I want to. Okay, maybe something like data and description and prompt, right? And just make it public. And make these things optional as well. I don't know, guys. I'm just trying to come up with some structured way of handling this. So there I default on it, and also data default, right? And I actually want to create a function for creating the effect. No, not this one. Return effect and something like this, because it's easier to handle that way. If you want to update the effect, just go to the effect function, right? And do the same for text area as well. I don't know why I removed the. Oh, this is wrong. Trying to like make this thing a bit like good quality, you know. All right, set and text area, self text area, stuff. All right, looks good, right? Not bad. Actually, in Poland, every year near the end, a science publisher organizes a poll for youth term of the year. Wow. And this year, Goat made it into the nominees. What was it? What was in there, apart from Goat? I'm really curious now. Is there like, what would be the other like Gen Z term? Man, imagine this nominee have to like these people would decide on the phrase or the word. They have to choose between goat, Hauktua, I don't know, W, and like Andrew Tate. I don't know, like a lot of cringe words. That's funny. I would actually do that job, like being in the jury, just selecting the most fucked up words ever. Like it's hard actually when you think about it. These are just all meme words. Like maybe Maybe you like something, and then like you like another word and you have to choose between. It's hard. For 1 year there was a word like imagine a plane and sleeping, but what it means bad. Imagine a plane plus sleeping, but cute. Interesting. Never thought of that thing before. Alright, set the description, set the prompt, get pin. Alright, now this is the actual stuff. Show T. Let me rename this to show so that it looks better. And cannot mutate. Let's make this mutable. Spielkolot. I butchered it. You can try it. Spielkolot. Or what kind of? That's we have the sh word like shay. You have the S with the tail, but the tail is not on the head, it's on the bottom. So we have the sh sound in Turkish. You know, but I'm guessing that's like the reverse. I don't know. Someone invented a funny cute term for going to sleep with somebody and got nominated. That's like, well, I don't know. Literally nobody talks like that. Alright. So now it should work, but we're not rendering the TUI at all. Actually, let me show the TUI and how it looks like, because I just realized we didn't even show it. Okay, this is the TUI. Okay, so you just type in your password, press enter, and I don't know what happens. Nothing happens. I need to actually return something from this function. I can return a string. So this should be called getPin. GetPin. She, okay. She. Interesting. This mix goes hard today, man. I like it. So okay, I need to run getPin. By the way, it's really hard to get the music's volume with the microphone volume. I always like end up with somewhere in between, and sometimes the music is like too loud and I'm like not loud enough. So I don't know if you like it right now. Just let me know. I can just arrange it a bit, make the music louder and so on. I don't know. I almost forgot. This year we have a strong turbo cringe contender as well. Skibidi Bop Riz. No, don't. What do you mean? Are you talking to me or transitory? It's hard to know because there's a delay. Alright, so I'm gonna return input and I don't know, contents or text. I don't remember the function's name actually. Well, not input, but okay, my Neovim just died. No, it's back. So I think it's self text area text, not text. This library is a bit weird, man. Okay, lines, right? All right, lines, and then return the first one. First one, unwrap or string new to string. That's a bad code, but anyways, it works. I'm talking about skibidi. You can try read. Oh my god, dude. What are you typing? It's fucking impossible to read for me. It's like Sijadziji. Sorry. You just wanted me to read it, alright? I cannot read Polish. Is it like Zolch? Zbzlo? Did I get it? Well, thermal montage made for a skibidi toilet in their Left 4 Dead Paris. It's officially Frankenstein. Skibidi bop, skibidi toilet riz. Guys, next stream, skibidi stream, alright? Don't hate. Gen Z, love it. I'll have like 100 people watching the stream if I do that, so gotta do that. Sorry guys, you gotta do what you gotta do. It's the grind. You did not get it. I don't know, dude. There's no way that I can just get that. It's like it feels like, I mean, looking at the characters, it feels like you typed in like normal Latin characters and just you added like random stuff to it, like ticks and like these dots and everything. It looks like that to me, you know. All right, when I press enter, I want to exit the TUI. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where's the event handler? All right, so in here, okay, enter and then just break, right? And actually, I can create some functions. First of all, I can create the fn draw prompt. This is entirely wrong. So frame, it will take a frame, but it will be mutable, I think. Mutable frame, and then it won't return anything. No, it doesn't have to be mutable. Is it mutable? Okay, it's mutable. So just gonna do that. Take all the stuff. And yeah, this should be it. And here, just call import. Let me import that. I can just call, I think, self draw prompt without anything. Self, no, not self. Okay, like this. Would it work? No. How can I make that happen? No, not app. TUI. Just wanna have something very clean here. But anyways, guys, I'm just gonna actually call it very explicitly. That's fine, I think. But it should work without the thing, no? What does it take? FN once mutable frame. Well, we have a self parameter, so I guess that won't work. Bro, stop spamming things that I don't understand in the chat. Olovek. Orhun cannot speak Polish. It's like you're not a native speaker or something. Ah, man. Sorry. Did I get the Olovek right? Olovek should be right. I mean, that literally says Olovek. I hope that's not a swear word, by the way. I'm sorry if it is. These guys just sending me some random words and I gotta read them. I don't have to read them, but I trust them, alright? I trust them. Alright, so... No. Try Google Translate, alright. Bro, how did I get this thing wrong? 1 second.
Ołówek.
Ołówek? What does it mean? It means pencil. Okay. Yeah, try this one. Go ahead. Try this one. Adam sending all Polish N-words for cancel speedrun. No. No, man. I'm just gonna clip those parts and just share them on social. Oh man, that would be so bad. Okay, now this should work. Test, enter, and it goes back. Okay, cool. So for the prompt, I just gotta return D and OK. So something like this. let pass phrase. It's gonna straight up println that shit. D. That's just super unsecure, but anyways. And then println. Okay. This should work, right? Let's see. So when I tried... What? Signing failed. What do you mean? Alright, let me try this again. Incomplete line passed to IPC. Incomplete line, what do you mean? What am I doing wrong here? The animation at the start is amazing. Thank you. We just did that in the previous stream. It is Google's longest Polish words. My favorite is... Yeah, okay. It ends with 2 though. I can see that. It ends with 2. Guys, what's wrong here? What's wrong here? D... Oh, there's this thing where I need to return something else. So prompt only placeholder. Incomplete line. I don't get it. Should work. No. Oh, maybe it's because of this. I don't know. What am I doing? Oh, did it work? Holy shit, it worked. No, it didn't. What am I doing? I just run the thing. No. Incomplete line passed. I still have your projects open, guys. Okay, I probably get like 0 results from this because this is super obscure. Line pass to a PC too long. Incomplete. All right. I don't get this. What am I supposed to return? Just a D and... Wait. What happens if I don't run this thing? Okay. Let's try again. And I don't get anything in the test file now. That's weird. Oh, is it returning? Oh, I see. Oh, I need to handle the other cases. It's just returning because there's an error. Because it cannot parse it. Invalid command. Whatever. It should be okay. Now it will work, guys. Because I was not handling this case accurately. Accurate. Right, build it. And run it now. What? Did I get the test stuff? No. Alright, maybe disable that for now. Disable this one too. Alright. Sign it again. Bro, what is going on? I'm just gonna get rid of all of this actually. Just comment them out, build it again. Now, okay, something is wrong. Something's, oh, what am I, oh shit, I just forgot that I was running the TUI. Nobody warned me. Nobody, thanks guys, thanks for live. Just kidding. My mistake, I own my mistakes. Will pinentry-ratatui be on GitHub? Absolutely. But it will be like a freemium product, so you have to pay to use it. $5 per day, sorry, or $5 per prompt. You know how it is, man. We gotta make that bread, so monetizing everything these days. All right, there you go. No passphrase given. Now look at this. Now look at, it's gonna work. All right, guys, are we ready? We're gonna see this thing in action. I'm gonna sign a file and we're gonna see the prompt. Are you ready? First try. Fuck. What's going on? All right, let's see. Set prompt, passphrase. Let me actually get rid of everything and try to debug this. Set prompt, passphrase. And the next command will be... but is it using std... What is it using? std error maybe? Zero dots. You have a lot of empty space on your website. You should throw in some ads to that web page. It looks sweet. Bro, I got my AdSense set up today. They will send me a cargo, like a package that contains my ID. Then I'm gonna enter that ID on AdSense website, and that way you can activate your account. Otherwise it's impossible. So they just wait for me to just give them the number. It works like that. I don't know why. They want to make sure that I'm an actual person, unlike some people in the chat, Transistor mainly. You know, they want to make sure that I'm not a chatbot or anything. So you just gotta do that, you know. Okay, what am I gonna do next? Ratatouille microtransactions. You're gonna send you a cargo. Yes, they will send me a cargo. Rust cargo. They'll send me a crate. Send me a crate, you know. All right. What the fuck is going on? Why this is not working? Maybe I should do the old way of creating the screen. I don't want to do that, by the way, but okay, let's actually try it. Get pin. It works on my machine. What's going wrong? I can see my prompt, and when I enter it, it returns it. Cool. But it's using, what is it using actually? Using std out, right? Enable raw mode, alternate screen. Okay, we're gonna do the old way of handling things now. So it's gonna be a pain, but we're gonna make it happen. So enable raw mode. I think this is from terminal. Execute is from cross term, and terminal is called that. So that's cool. Enter alternate screen. Import everything. std error. Use the std error, right? std error. New Rusty version dropped 50 cents per every bit compiled. I'm okay with that actually. It's better because you might have said 50 cents, no, 50 push-ups per every bit. That would be fucking brutal. I'm kind of happy now. So no draw for okay. Imagine like doing one push-up for every compiler error. I think that's the stupidest idea of all time. Like, who would do that? That's fucking retarded. Like, why would you do push-ups for every compiler error? Like, that's something that somebody with the name Orhun would do actually. That's just so stupid. Wow. Cannot believe the stupidity in that idea. But some people are just weird, man. You cannot change that, you know. STD error. Leave alternate screen. Alright, now we use STD error. Let's see. It will probably work here, right? Man, this is so fucking fancy. Let's try the actual... Wait, I just... Yeah. New Rossi patch, 50 cents replaced with 10 push-ups. No! Please don't. That's a good joke, actually. I'm gonna steal that and post it on socials. Thank you, man. I got you. I'll share the money, don't worry about it. Alright, so this will work. First try, once again. Are you ready to see it? First try, let's go. No, I'm on the wrong screen. Wrong command, sorry. First try, let's go. Signing failed, end of file. Alright, now we use std error, which didn't change anything. What did I get with the std out? What I completely forgot. I'm gonna just undo everything real quick and run it again. New Rust C patch, replacing Rust with C++. No. Don't say stuff like that. Incomplete line passed to IPC. I don't know which one is a better error message, like I don't know, man. I think the other one is better, maybe. So I'm just gonna keep that one. Okay, signing failed. So let's read some C code. It's time. Anchor pinentry curses. My jokes are licensed under CC attribution, no derivatives. 4.0 international, by the way. Good to know. I would cry hard, then wipe my tears with that zing. Bro. Where's the pinentry curses source code? We're just gonna read C code in the stream. That's how it goes from now on. Where's the fucking... Where's the code? This can't be the code. Pinentry init, pinentry curses. Where is the... Alright, do I have to find this? What is this, man? Alright, there we go. I think this is it. Yeah. Okay, is this doing something that I'm missing? Like, I'm basically running the TUI when you get a get pin. So, what am I supposed to do? Get pin. Pin. Yeah, well, we could have been just writing the C code for the TUI. Imagine that. Mike, seriously, do you consider GitHub a social media platform? Yes. Why wouldn't you consider the other way around? It's super. It's like a social media. I mean, I met so many people. That's social. Media, so social media. Dialogue input. Guys, what am I supposed to do now? I'm stuck. So this is dialog run. Open the desired terminal. Oh, do I have to render the TUI on a specific... Holy shit. Right. Right. I need to render it on dev whatever, right? TTY name. Oh my god. So fucking smart, man. Yeah, I mean, GitHub is a social media platform compared to anything else, really. GitLab, Codeberg. Okay, so TTY name. I need to get that option. And for that, I need to create another enum. Oh my god. Why isn't this just enough? So something like pub enum option, and option can be, what are the options? TTY name, TTY name and string. All right, so option, an option. It looks bad, I know, but whatever. And yeah, an option should be parsed separately. So it should be something like impl try from option, and then no, this should be parsing split with the equal sign, you know. So gonna be something like, there we go, nice, TTY name, and copy that thing over to here. And for the option parsing, I'm just gonna do it like this. Right? Yep. More enums. Only in the Git hosting like SourceHub. Man, who's using SourceHub? Like there isn't. The last time I checked, there wasn't like issues or like PRs section in there. So how do you use it? How do you collaborate on that platform? Do you just invite people to your repo? Is that even possible? How does it work? So many questions. So many questions. So all right, maybe something like, I'm not sure if this is gonna work, by the way. TTY name. Probably not gonna work, but let's see. Maybe it's gonna work, I don't know. Okay, get the command option, right? And then when you call this thing, open that TTY. So is this a just, yeah, how can I open this? How can I open this? Cross-term backend. So this takes something that you can write. So this is a file, right? So I don't know, something like TTY, and then fs open. No, this should work actually. And self tt self data TTY name, and unwrap or dev std out. Would that work? Let's try this. Draw wants you to embrace Git email. Reject modernity, return to mailing lists. Be careful with those mailing list jokes. Remember, you're speaking to an Arch maintainer. Hell yeah, man. Just be careful, right? I have an Arch Linux email, and I'm subscribed to 6 or 7 different email lists or whatever, mailing lists. Right, how do I open a file in Rust? Rust Open file. Going back to the basics. Going back to the basics. It's file open, right? But I don't want file open. I want to rust open dev std out. How do I do that? Okay, just maybe file open. I don't know. File open. Yeah, I'm assuming I cannot create dev std out. As dref and then make this thing a string or stir. This might work. All right. And here just tty. Hell yeah. All right. So when I quit that, I just pull it on tty. It's gonna borrow that though. Okay, whatever. Just gonna use this then. Cannot borrow is mutable. Make it mutable. Right? Is that it? Well, I need to do it like this. I just realized I made a mistake actually. No, did I make a mistake? No, I don't think so. So tty mutable. Yeah. Okay. Enable raw mode. Open the tty. I hope I'm right with these assumptions, because maybe I don't have to write to the tty, but let's see. Reading mailing lists is a necessary skill of a common false dinosaur. Bro, that's a bit like offensive. I like it. File open or file create if you want to write. If that doesn't work, 10 push-ups. Shit. Alright, hold on. 1 second, guys. 10 push-ups. Alright, we're gonna make it. 10 push-ups. I'll be back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, I did 10 push-ups. Let's go. Let's try this now. Or what do you mean end of file? I'm actually getting the... Is it failing? Because I can imagine it's maybe failing. Maybe I did something wrong. So option tty name. Let's try that. Option tty name dev std error. Okay. Get pin. Bad file descriptor. Okay, that's bad. Option, oh, just get pin would be enough. Bad file descriptor. Or okay, what? I think I need to do it like hold on, I know what I'm gonna do. From row ft, I mentioned this thing here. Well, this is not it actually. What am I gonna do? So for this thing I get end of file. Pin entry end of file. Okay, maybe build this thing again. Oh my god, my terminal is screwed. End of file. When do you fail? Set prompt passphrase. So it fails at the main here on get pin, right? When you run this, it fails. But hold on. Let me try to mock this. I'm gonna passphrase something. Just gonna give it something. Try again. Bad passphrase. Okay, this works. So something wrong with my TUI. Maybe I don't... If I don't enable the row mode, what happens? End of file. Well, we cannot open std out. Rust open dev std out. Does anybody know how to open a raw file in Rust? Dev std. One Unix one can also use file open which avoids boxing without. Okay, I just did that. File open dev std out. What am I doing wrong here? It's super hard to debug as well because it doesn't really give me anything other than just end of file, which doesn't really mean anything to me. What am I supposed to get from? Can you even do this in safe Rust? No, you probably can't, but just curious. File open. Well, this is a problem in the TUI. It's not actually a problem in the pinentry because I cannot open std out with this. So Rust open. Guys, I need to figure this out. What's going on here? Maybe it's libc open? I don't know. Because there's a libc option as well. Like libc open. Holy shit, look at the function. It's expecting a char. What am I supposed to do? This operation is unsafe. Const. Oh my god. No, not no libc, alright? No libc. Forget that. Okay, what is this? Okay, so I know how to open this with a rove fd, right? But Rust. Okay, maybe ask ChatGPT. It's time, dude. Rust open dev std out for writing. Let's see. ChatGPT time. That's wrong. That's not what I want. It's create. Okay, maybe we need to create it, dog. Like just create the std out. You know. It's time. All right. Maybe this will work. Get pin. Okay, we just created a STDR, whatever. Now this works. Then maybe old programmers that search Google instead of ChatGPT is just crazy and kind of stupid. Thanks, man. I appreciate your comment. But yeah, use preview. What's that? Okay, this should work now. First try. Are you ready? Let's go. Fuck. I don't know what happened there. Did it actually process the... Okay, let's try again. And file test. What's the TTY name? Maybe I should read the documentation, man. I should probably read the documentation. Pinentry TTY name. Yeah, it's opening TTY name. It's readam, right? Yeah, that's what I'm doing as well. So that's true. And then what does it do? And wait. It is create also opens it with... Oh, I don't... Opens it with the write permission. File open, okay, Rust open file with read and right. Preview is the more enhanced model of ChatGPT user analytic mini. Cool. Open options. Now let's make this thing a bit explicit then. So TTY, open options, write true, read true, open that, and let's see. Get pin. Yeah, this works on STD, whatever. End of file. So end of file means something panicked, right? And we don't know what panics because there's no like error handling. So I'm gonna actually handle the error now to figure out what's going on there. So for example, we can do some like match that and write the error into a file, you know? So smart. So smart, man. But it's not really writing. Okay, what the fuck? Just error to string, come on. Well, I don't know what's wrong with the formatting, but that works. Everything is broken now. Everything is broken. Okay, format that, please. What the hell? What do you mean? What did I do wrong? Okay, I need to add a semicolon. All right, cool. What is that? Don't paste LLM answers to chat. It's still the same prompt he used. All right, let's see the error now. Let's see the error. No such device or address. That's literally what you gave me. What do you mean, no such device? And which TTY are you talking about while saying that? Okay, so TUI data TTY name. Alright, now we get a more verbose thing. Hopefully. Alright, let's see. BTS 11. No such. It's right there. It's right there. Okay, right to on shell. Okay, how do I just echo into that? Okay, so let's echo into that TTY. So D test into that. Add it. Is it working? Oh wait, I'm running this on the same terminal. Maybe that's why. 1 second. LSL. I don't know, man. You might not have the permissions to TTY 11. Okay. WGPT bet you figured out. What the hell am I supposed to do here? So this does not work, right? Okay. So what am I supposed to do here? Let's see what this thing is doing. File no TTY FI. What is TTY FI? TTY FI. How do you set that? TTY FI F open TTY name. Well, it's doing what I just did. It's literally doing what I just did. It opens the TTY, right? Wait, dev PTS 11. No such device or address. Let me try to do it like this. Get pin. What? Oh my, what? Bro, that worked. That worked, but what in the world? So if I run this, wait, oh my god, it's totally broken now. It's totally broken now. Okay, fuck, what do I do? Oh my god, I cannot really kill this process. Alright, just gonna close the tab then. It's fine. So wait, it's very, very weird. So I'm gonna run this. No, I'm gonna run it. And I can run this thing too. And say get pin. And it shows the prompt. What? It actually works, I think. Test. Well, the input is fucked, but you know. It's because I think I am doing... That's very weird though. I don't know, man. I'll do the 20 push-ups. Getting a software fully complete and complete the breaking gotta be the worst feeling ever. Alright, what do we do now? Like, I know, like, there is this TUI thing that we cannot really render on, so... One second, I'm actually going to do try something here, you know? Build that. Try to sign it again. It doesn't show the prompt. PT was 0. No, that's... Wait a minute. Something funky happening here. PTS 0, no such device. It shouldn't be PTS 0 though. I think. I think what I'm gonna do here is just... Okay, do not write that. Okay, let's see. Okay, PTS 0. Guys, what are you talking about? Guys, don't get into arguments in the chat. What are you guys talking about? The AI drama? Stop, please. Guys, it's just AI, come on. Not a big deal. Oh my god. Full stack coding 20 what? Guys, please stop or I'll just ban you, alright? I'm just threatening you guys now. I'll just ban you. Stop arguing in the chat. What the fuck? And why are you so aggressive? Full stack coding 24. Guys, now this stream will be watched. There's drama in it. Just kidding. Please stop. Set key info. You know what? I don't know. I think I'm just gonna leave it here. I'm gonna reduce the delay on the next stream. I don't know. I think we did a good job by just coming this far, but I don't know what's going on here. So just gonna leave it here. Guys, it's been 2 hours, more than 2 hours, like since when am I streaming? Yeah, let's leave it here. But it was fun. I gotta go now, actually. So getting banned in order to live stream achievement get. That's a nice achievement. You don't want that though, because you'll get banned from life as well. 1 second, I'm gonna revert my GPG agent config because I don't want to use my custom. Yeah, I'm gonna descend. Hold on 1 second. I'm gonna just GPG agent config. I'm gonna figure this out on the next stream. Don't worry. I'm gonna make this thing happen. I'm gonna release it. Guys, as always, thanks for tuning in. It was a pleasure. I don't know who's watching now, but if you stuck with me till the end, you're just a G, man. You're just a G. Adam, thanks for tuning in, man. It was a pleasure to have you on the stream. Next time, do more push-ups. Oh yeah, I got some Discord notifications. If you need some help, you can send me the code. Let me invite you to the repo. There isn't a repo now, but we can just create it now. Actually, let me just create a public repo. I think it's fine at this point. So repo new. Pinentry-ratatui. I would appreciate your help. I appreciate anyone's help. What's the description? The ancient password. The ancient pinata program, but with a twist. I don't know. Okay, whatever. Wait, you don't use GitHub CLI, you got in your package build scripts. Can the GitHub repo create much faster? That's fine, dude. Alright, so we just gotta push that. Alright, and what? I don't even commit anything. Okay, so info exclude. These are just tricks that I do all the time, dude. Just very advanced Git tricks. Okay, pinentry puzzle. I don't want to lose these scripts, so I just put them in a ignored directory. Okay, add that. Alright, the code is super bad, but whatever. Alright, code just fucking sucks. I have libc and shit like that, but I can just remove libc probably. 1 second, just clean it up. Okay, fuck it. I'm not gonna clean it up. Whatever, dude. Initial commit. Code is sucky. Let me actually add this as a. The code is sucky. Yeah, I don't have the pinentry anymore, so I cannot really. Okay, I have it. We will replace this shit. Alright? We will replace that prompt with ratatouille. Alright? Push it. There you go. There we go. Pinentry dead. Alright, so guys, that's it from me. I don't know what I'm gonna do now, but I don't know. I'll do some open source probably. Fuck. Oh my god. Gonna read some books and go to sleep. Alright. Any last minute questions, last minute things? Look at what I have. I'm just gonna flex it. It's just yeah. I don't know how's it going. Hey Mehmet, I'm just chilling. I'm actually just gonna stop the stream. Sorry. You're kind of late. You're like just a bit late, but it's fine. So guys, just gonna flex it. Just flex. Just you know how it is. I'm gonna make a chain, and I'm gonna put it like this, so it's like a necklace. I just pulled this out from my old stuff in somewhere, and then yeah, I gotta start cooking with this. All right, you have one too. Nice. I don't think it's working though. I need batteries for this. Super cool shit. If you have this one, you're the G. Okay, let me find mine. Dude, we gotta make the sumo robot contest happen. We gotta make that shit, alright? Guys, I'm gonna go. Old Danish, you know what I mean? Stop with the jokes. Stop with the jokes, alright? It's offensive, but yeah, true. Replace your heart with it. Iron Man style. Did you guys know that you can actually put any operating system on this Linux base and write Rust? It's possible. I met with 1 second. I met with Misiliano. Mili. What was his name, dude? Missimiliano. This sumo robot guy, and he knows so much about it, and he told me that you can actually program this thing in Rust, so I'm gonna make that happen. This runs Linux by default. What's the name of that product? It's Lego EV3. Mindstorms. I tried Rust bindings on EV3 dev. They suck. I'm sorry. I haven't, so I don't know anything about it. You're right about installing Hana Montana Linux. Man. Guys, I'm gonna go. I'm super tired now. So many Linux stuff to do tomorrow. Oh my god, it's gonna be a mess. I also need to do a git cliff release. Oh my god. Alright, I'm going. Guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm gonna see you on the next one. And as always, I'm just gonna slowly ascend. And yeah, I'll check it out. You get my interest. I was saying that you can install every OS. Not every OS, but like Linux, you know? Take care, everybody. And I'll, like I said, see you in the next one. Have a nice night. It'll be early next stream. No worries. Just join whenever you have time, alright? See you, everybody. This is the best outro, yeah? Like, this is... Oh my god. Oh shit. Alright, take care. Bye.